with Little Things, I'm Andrea. I thought I'd show you this album that I made today. I made this completely from scratch, following tips and advice from so many different crafters out there. To get my outside, my sort of main body, I watched Steph from Effie Ann Cards. She's a bit of a master of the old album, and this is the first one I've ever made like this, first big one. This is an 8x10 in size, and it's a good sort of 2 inches deep. It's all really colourful. It's for my daughter's friend Alex, and it's to for her to stick all her photographs in from 2018 and just record her memories from this year that's passing. Got lots of bright colours, just random strips on the front and back, and her name and 2018. And then you open it, and each double side is different, and it's got a theme. This first one is just really so this one opens up and folds out, this one folds down. There's a little pocket there, some flowers here, waterfall, spaces to put photos there, and this lovely lime green background. Then on this one there's this pull down piece to put cards on, and this is all about food. So this is pictures of, I don't know if you can see that, this is food down the side. It's got a double magic slider card here, photograph sort of holder there. It's got a little wallet here with little cards, like little index cards with ice creams on them. Just simple little cards. I've stuck on some little cupcakes. I've die cut them out, printed them, stamped them, coloured them in and die cut them. This has got a magnetic closure. This is quite a big fold out storage for photographs. Quite a lot of photos in that one. Then this page is to record trips. I've die cut a couple of old fashioned tickets, just a pocket stick tickets, or whatever photographs in. This is a little heart shaped one, so you just push the heart together and then it all expands out to make lots of storage for photographs. And then you just pop the hearts back in to close it again. Another waterfall photo storage that says trips in big letters down the side. And then we've got one to record pictures of friends. These sort of lettering's quite quirky. I like the quirkiness of this one. This folds out, it'll hold lots of big pictures, lots of gems stuck around the bottom. I just love the way this folds. A little band up here just to peg on pictures or whatever. Little notes here that you can write notes on the back. And a pocket there that you can pop things into, just with the little pegs, just like that. There's all gems along the bottom. And then the back one is Christmas. It's got Xmas in holographic foil, and then in this pocket you can put things in the pocket, but there's also double-sided photo holders there. You can also stick photo on the pocket if you want. And then there's this. This was supposed to sort of resemble like an advent calendar. This is, you can put pictures on the outside, or you can put a couple of pictures on the inside of each one. It'd probably be good for like little Polaroids, whatever. And I've put little bows on there. So yeah, I think it's quite pretty, quite funky. I think she'll love it. I hope she does. Got a bit of glue on there, got a random sequin stuck on the back. So yeah, it's really pretty. Yeah, I hope she loves it. And if you want to know how to do any of the components of it, how to make any of the components of it, just give me a shout and I'll show you.